Hello. Hi, Zack. So, what about the security here in the Houses of Parliament? I mean, it looks pretty secure. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I like to see police. I like to see police.
Can you remember when the last terrorist attack was?
Oh God, I think it was 1066. The last one. It was a guy called Fawkes, Guy Fawkes. He came with a backpack on full of marijuana, with loads of explosives in the bottom of it. You know, but they rumbled him, you see, because they sniffed him out, pothead.
You think you could attack Parliament if...
He's got a hell of a lot of law enforcement behind me there. You've got barriers this high to stop people bombing it. You know, I can throw pretty far, do you know what I mean? That ain't going to stop me if I wanted to. I would just wing it over. Good effort though, good effort.